In 2021, my mom got diagnosed with stage 2 breast cancer. It was extremely scary for us all. I'm the oldest of her 4 kids, so I had to stay strong. Little did I know my dad would actually pass away the following year. I truly owe it to you all for getting not only myself but my mom through it as well with your overwhelming support. By the grace of God, she's still cancer free, but it's been physically, mentally, emotionally, and financially draining for us all. I've been supporting her financially since 2021, which I'm so grateful for being able to do, but I also have my own bills and a daughter to take care of as well. She has her 4th surgery on Monday, July 29th, and will be recovering for possibly over a month, meaning she'll be out of work. She already can't work too many hours or she'll lose her medical benefits, so she's already in a tough situation regardless, but this just makes it so much worse. I'll link her GoFundMe in the description and pinned comment if anyone wants to help her get through this surgery so she's not worried about her bills, and I'm not either. If you can't or don't want to, it's completely fine. I just feel horrible I can't personally take complete care of her, so me sharing this link is the least I can do. I'm gonna play a clip she sent me a few years ago giving an update on herself and showing her appreciation. This clip will put into context why I say I love you and why this channel means a lot more than just making videos.
Hi everyone, this is Casey, Silver Slayer's mom. As some of you may or may not know, I was diagnosed with breast cancer in April of this year. I had surgery in May and then started my chemo the end of July. I will be finished with my chemo on October 1st. Yay, I get to ring the bell. I'm so excited for that. Hasn't been too bad, just been a little sick here and there. But I wanted to thank you all for your donations. They mean so much to me, for not even knowing who I am and just giving out of the kindness of your heart just because you know someone's struggling. It just means the world to me. I know Silver Slayer's been very thankful for it as well, but I just wanted to let you guys know from the bottom of my heart, it meant so much. It was able to help me concentrate on my health and not have to worry about working throughout this process. It's been one hell of a journey, and I'm going to keep fighting, and I've got 2 more surgeries to go and a little bit more stuff to do, but I just, again, want to thank you all from the bottom of my heart. Bye.
I haven't watched that clip in a while, years since I posted it, but it still hits me just as hard. I really cannot thank you all enough. Even if you can't donate or don't want to, just watching my videos is more than enough. But, you know, I figured I would do this for my mom, and if you can help her get through this month and make sure she doesn't have to worry, I'd greatly appreciate it. Thanks so much for listening, and I love you all.